Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, stared at the ceiling, and felt like your own body was betraying you? That's exactly how it all began. Carlos was the kind of person who did everything right. He worked hard, tried to maintain a healthy routine. But there was an invisible enemy he just couldn't beat: sleep. Every night was the same. He went to bed exhausted, but his mind simply wouldn't shut off. And when he finally managed to fall asleep, 3 a.m., eyes wide open, heart racing, a strange feeling, like something was wrong but he couldn't figure out what. Day after day, it drained his energy, his focus, his life. Until one night, after yet another brutal awakening, he found something that seemed too simple to be true. A natural formula, no heavy chemicals, no side effects that left him groggy the next morning. But what happened next? No one had prepared him for it. That night, Carlos didn't just sleep. He experienced the deepest, most restorative sleep of his life. And that's when he realized the problem was never him. It was the way he was trying to sleep. From that day on, everything changed. Carlos started using sleep every night. Unlike anything he had tried before, it wasn't just another supplement. It was a natural formula designed to work with the body. While other products force sleep with high doses of melatonin, sleep does something different. It helps the brain activate its own natural sleep system. The result: he started falling asleep much faster. He slept through the entire night without interruptions, and he woke up truly refreshed, like he hadn't felt in years. No grogginess, no heavy sluggish feeling in the morning. If you feel like your sleep is sabotaging you too, maybe it's not a lack of tiredness. Maybe you've just been using the wrong solution. Sleep was created for exactly this: to restore the deep, natural sleep your body deserves. Will you keep fighting against your own sleep, or finally start sleeping the way you're meant to?